Welcome to our comparison of two portable washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency. Today we will look at the DXJJ portable washing machine with a capacity of 13 liters and the FADS portable washing machine, which boasts a larger 15-liter capacity. Both machines are ideal for small spaces like apartments, dorms, and RVs, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into the details. The DXJJ portable washing machine offers a capacity of 13 liters, making it suitable for small loads such as underwear and baby clothes. In contrast, the FADS model provides a larger capacity of 15 liters, allowing for more laundry at once, which can be particularly beneficial for families or those with larger loads. This difference in capacity can significantly impact the efficiency and convenience of doing laundry, especially in limited spaces. Both washing machines feature 3 washing modes, providing versatility for different laundry needs. However, the FADS portable washing machine stands out with its spin-dry function, which efficiently removes excess water from clothes, making the drying process faster. The DXJJ model lacks this feature, which may require users to manually wring out clothes after washing. This additional functionality in the FADS model can save time and effort, especially for those on the go. When it comes to pricing, the DXJJ portable washing machine is more budget-friendly at $50, making it an attractive option for those looking for a cost-effective solution. On the other hand, the FADS model is priced at $69, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features like the spin-dry function. While the initial investment is higher for the FADS model, the added convenience may justify the cost for many users. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and FADS portable washing machines offer unique advantages tailored to different needs. If you prioritize affordability and a compact design, the DXJJ model is a great choice. However, if you require a larger capacity and the convenience of a spin-dry function, the FADS model may be worth the extra cost. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.